Hello everyone, this is Charalambos Pissouros, Senior Analyst here at IronFX, bringing you the technical updates for the 7th of April. Today I will talk again about Euro-Dollar, which traded higher after it hit support once again near the 113.35 line and managed to overcome the 114.40 zone. I would also like to update the technical outlook of sterling yen, which fell below the 154.75 territory. So let's see the Euro-Dollar currency pair first. Euro-Dollar moved somewhat lower on Wednesday, but hit support slightly below the 113.35 barrier, and the upside support line taken from the low of the 10th of March. Subsequently, the rate rebounded, and today, during the early European morning, it managed to emerge above the 114.40 hurdle. The price structure on the 4-hour chart remains higher peaks and higher troughs, something that keeps the short-term outlook positive. I would expect the move above 114.40 to prompt extensions towards the psychological barrier of 115. Our short-term oscillators support that the pair could continue higher for a while. The RSI rebounded from near its 50 line and is now headed towards 70, while the MACD, already positive, has bottomed and just poked its nose above its trigger line. As for the bigger picture, the rate is still trading within the sideways range between the 108 key zone and the psychological area of 115. I would like to see a clear close above 115 before I assume that the medium-term outlook has turned to the upside as well. Now let's continue with sterling yen. This pair continued tumbling yesterday, falling below the 154.75 hurdle. The dip back below 160 on the 1st of April has turned the short-term outlook negative, and in my view the slide is poised to continue. I would expect the dip below 154.75 to see scope for extensions towards the 152.60 zone, defined by the inside swing high of the 29th of August 2013. Our short-term oscillators detect strong downside speed and support that the pair could continue falling. The RSI stands within its below 30 territory and points down, while the MACD stands below both its 0 and trigger lines, pointing down as well. As for the bigger picture, given that sterling yen is still trading below the downtrend line taken from the peak of the 7th of December, I would consider the longer term path to stay to the downside as well. What is more, the dip below 154.75 has confirmed a forthcoming lower low on the daily chart, and this amplifies the case that the longer term downtrend is back in force. So that's it for today. For more analysis and charts, please read the full comment on IronFX.com. You can also follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Charalambos Pissouros, Senior Analyst at IronFX, wishing you solid trading.